filled with healthy, happy human beings, living their lives normally and better. A utopia indeed.
Now imagine working towards making it possible through dedication and relentless effort, for no other reason but simply because it must be done, and there is a desire to do it. Working ceaselessly to develop healthcare solutions that will not just heal but do so safely, without any serious complications or side effects. Making medicines that will restore life to normal. If that is one's goal, then one must take the lead and make it one's mission, one's passion.
Passion and performance. Care. Accountability. Entrepreneurship. Integrity and quality. Innovation. Focus and act now. These are the 7 values that form the foundation for everything that UCB stands for and seeks to achieve, now and in the future. UCB has been a part of India for around 50 years, growing with a newly independent nation to become what it is today. A name synonymous with specialist treatment of serious ailments. UCB India is part of the international UCB Group, a leading global biopharmaceutical group. UCB has been enabling specialists with innovative medical solutions. Solutions which provide the advantages of both large and small molecules to bring relief from serious conditions or ailments, to provide a better quality of life.
When patients come to me for allergies, I prescribe them the latest and the best. My father, however, still prescribes an earlier formulation.
That's because it still works for some of my patients and has been for last 40 years.
True.
And it's all from the same company, one good product after another.
So first they developed hydroxyzine, meclizine, buclizine, followed it up with cetrizine, with its latest avatar today being levocetrizine.
जैसे कि मुझे याद है 40-50 साल से चलता आ रहा है.
Nearly 50 years. Wow, and he still remembers. Must be on a regular dose of piracetam. Piracetam is the name of a drug that I usually prescribe to patients with memory-associated disorders. And in more severe cases like epilepsy, it's levetiracetam.
Different ailments, all serious. Different solutions, all specialist. One company, UCB.
UCB prides itself in its entrepreneurship, innovation and speed. The UCB's strategy is to concentrate all its efforts on a specific range of serious diseases, focusing on 3 main therapeutic areas: the central nervous system, inflammation and immunology, including allergy, and oncology. This increases the likelihood of major innovations in medical solutions and treatment options.
UCB has its global centers of excellence for R&D in Europe, USA, and Asia, where scientists are provided all the necessary resources to progress commercially viable ideas to fruition. UCB research and development teams have access to a rich library of innovative molecules, has also its vast intellectual property estate. This includes over 100 patent families, covering both small molecules and large antibody technology molecules. UCB's proven expertise in safety, toxicology, and other aspects of clinical development helps it accelerate the development of these molecules through its pipeline. Trials are conducted across the world in different population groups. It is only after establishing the safety and enhanced efficacy of the molecules are they submitted to regulatory authorities in various countries for permission to market them commercially. Once the permission is granted, these molecules are translated at UCB's manufacturing sites around the world, including India.
UCB has its Indian headquarters in Mumbai. 180 kilometers away at Vapi in Gujarat is the UCB manufacturing plant. This is a fully integrated world-class facility incorporating high-tech machinery to enable the highest standards of manufacturing. This plant has the ability to manufacture bulk drugs, pharmaceutical intermediates and various branded formulations and solutions based on UCB's own original research molecules.
The basis of all UCB manufacturing worldwide is CGMP standards and strict quality assurance to guarantee products of the best international standards. A well-entrenched distribution network consisting of distributors, stockists and chemists is already in place to make UCB products available across the country. Product information and support to doctors and chemists is provided by a specialist-oriented field force. UCB has highly motivated individuals as its representatives. These representatives are given a thorough grounding into the whys and wherefores of all UCB products. They are specifically trained to communicate total product information while maintaining the International Code of Ethical Practices. Training at UCB is an ongoing affair.
On a day-to-day level, short-term or long-term, in everything that UCB plans and everything that UCB does, its 7 values play a significant, determining and deciding role. Changing lifestyles have resulted in the evolution of afflictions. So, not only do we need stronger drugs, we have to ensure that they are as safe as they are effective, with minimal or no side effects.
UCB scientists are working round the clock, decoding the DNA to not only help us understand who we are, but also tell us which diseases we are susceptible to. Armed with this understanding, UCB scientists are in a better position to understand severe and chronic diseases and provide new as well as personalized medicine for their treatment. This involves the creation of large molecules that mimic the behavior of antibodies and, like them, armed with genetic intelligence, they target only the diseased cells in our body, delivering the required medicine in the appropriate proportions. As only diseased cells are targeted, all major side effects are done away with. This heralds a new age of treatment for severe diseases like immune disorders and cancer, where UCB biotechnology products will significantly reduce major side effects caused due to treatment. Side by side, running strong, are the small or intracellular molecules, as yet best suited for common and everyday remedies like allergies and CNS disorders. This UCB dual pipeline strategy encompasses both small and large molecules, giving us the facility to address disease pathways at different points in our targeted therapy areas. The strong pipeline of UCB products and its rich intellectual property estate, coupled with promising partnerships with research institutions and commercial establishments, make for a bright future ahead for the company in the global markets, as well as in India.
India, once an enigma, now a favoured destination. Not just for Indophiles, but also for world-class business organizations and corporations. A country with a 5,000-year tradition and the youngest ever population.
Teeming masses, overflowing intellectual capital. The potential is evident. The large and diverse population presents various opportunities for UCB. In terms of marketing opportunities and talent resources, the possibilities are tremendous. For outsourcing essential data processing activities, India presents the ideal option. And better still are the intellectual alternatives offered by India. Better minds, better doctors, and research facilities for clinical trials.
All in all, as much as India benefits by the presence of a biopharmaceutical major, so does UCB benefit from the myriad opportunities presented by India.
Any way you look at it, UCB is heading towards new pinnacles of success.